It's good to be with you. The AI deck generator for Anki is useful for taking Japanese text and translating it into English, and then generating those translations into structured decks for Anki. This tool relies on the free text-to-speech tool called Voiceox, and it uses ChatGPT to translate, which requires an OpenAI API key for access and billing. Costs may vary. In my experience, translating this song regularly costs much less than a penny. For information on costs and links to these tools can be found in the video description. First, prepare your API key with ChatGPT and make sure your account has credits. Next, download Voiceox. Choose a zip option. CPU should work for most machines. ML may work better if you have a graphics card, and CUDA may work best if you have an NVIDIA graphics card. Unzip this to a folder it can stay in. Now, download the latest release of the AI generator for Anki. And extract the zip. If Voiceox downloads with a .001 at the end of the file, you may need to remove this before extracting. Let's double-click the exe. Windows may display a warning about an unknown publisher. You can accept to proceed. And read the terms and conditions. If you accept, we will proceed to the settings page. Let's choose an output folder. This is where our .apkg files for Anki will go. Then we will browse and select the run.exe file for Voiceox. The exact location may vary depending on the Voiceox download. Now, paste in your API key and create a PIN. The key is stored locally in an encrypted format. The PIN is used anytime you are calling ChatGPT to decrypt your key first. Now save the settings and restart the application for them to take effect. Now that that's set up, let's start the application, enter our PIN, and pick a title for the deck. I will be translating the song Ue o Muite Aruko. Let's paste in the text for the song and click Generate. This may take some time. Once completed, we can open Anki and import from that output folder we set up earlier. And now we should see our deck. It broke out the song into two sections, Japanese and English English to Japanese. In each of these two sections, we have it broken down further into sentences, words, and kanji characters. Let's review a Japanese to English sentence. On the front of the card, we have the kana and a sound file. If we flip the card, we see both the Romaji and the English translation. Look at that. Together, we have saved time generating an Anki deck with the AI deck generator. Please, let me know down in the comments what you thought of this video. Have a great day, and thank you for stopping by.